Week 13, question number 5 asks you to calculate return on ad spend, which is the same formula as ROMI for two different ad networks online. So first thing we need to do for network A is to calculate total revenue, which we know is the volume of conversions times the average revenue per conversion. So in this case, 2,900 times 105 gives us total revenue of 304,500. Moving that along over here to calculate incremental margin, we see here that the average contribution margin on products purchased by folks that came in to our website via ads placed on network A was 35%. So in this case, the incremental margin yielded is 106,575. So now we're ready to plug that into our ROAS formula. 106,575 minus the cost of the ads at 116.2, all divided by 116.2, gives you a negative return of 8.28%. Moving on to network B, now we have conversions of 5,636 times average revenue of 130 gives us total revenue of 732,680. We can move that up over here and take our average contribution margin of 40%. to give us total incremental margin of 293,072. Moving that into our formula here, we had a cost on network B of 193,910 for a return in this case of 51.13%. Moving down to line where you combine the two, you must not just take the average of negative 8.28 plus 51.13 divided by 2, because your bases are different. So when your bases are different, you just can't take a straight average. You've got to add the two together. So let's execute our formula again by taking the total. Our totals here in terms of incremental margin. If you add these two numbers together, you're going to get a total incremental margin of 399,647. Plug that into the formula here. Take the total cost of the ad, so add those two together to give a total cost of 310,110. all divided by the total cost. And what you're going to end up with is 28.87%. So combining the two networks, your total return on ad spend is 28.87%.